According to the World Health Organization, health is a state of complete harmony of the elements and forces within the human entity, encompassing physical, mental, moral, and spiritual planes. A healthy body craves only natural food, and the process of digestion should occur quietly and unconsciously, without any cravings for junk food. A healthy body desires water, and the urine should be pale in color, never bloody, cloudy, black, colorless, nor have a sweetish or sour odor. The stool should be brownish, never green, gray, or white, and should not be watery, bloody, or contain worms. Additionally, breath should be fresh and free of bad odor. The skin should be smooth, elastic, warm, and moist, while perspiration should not have a disagreeable odor. Hair should be of natural color, neither grayish nor reddish. The lungs should function without difficulty, and the mouth should not remain open during sleep or waking. A normal body form is characterized by clearly defined jawline, napeline, and thigh-line, as shown in the figure. A normal figure is finely proportional with perfect symmetry, featuring a normal-sized head, smooth forehead, large eyes, well-formed nose, and closed mouth. The face should have a clearly defined jawline and napeline, a round neck of normal length, a well-developed chest, and straight, muscular legs with a clear-cut thigh line. If a person has the normal figure, form, and mobility, they are considered healthy. Thank you for your attention.